Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing an amazing painting for this scenery, which is from Banff National Park, Canada. So let's begin. For this, I am first taking sky blue color along with Caribbean blue. If you don't have Caribbean blue color, you can mix white with bright blue, a little of bright blue, mix it first, and then you can add a little of spring green, and then you will develop this Caribbean bluish greenish color that will be perfect for our painting today. We are first painting the sky and the water. With black, we are now making the mountains. These are the faraway mountains which we will shade it later, but always make sure that you begin any of your paintings from farthest to the nearest. So first we made the sky, then the water, and now the mountains. Once the black is dry, we are now making, or we have taken a sponge, and with that we are making the faraway trees. These are all the snow-covered trees. So we are forming the base for the mountain that has some snows on it, and then we will be making the trees and the snow-covered treetops. Once we made the trees with black, we will repeat the step with white as well, so that it shows that the trees are covered with partial snow. And once this part is dry, we will then again repeat the process with the help of a sponge to make the treetops. Now we will make some trees with black which are peeking out of the snow-covered mountains. Now we are making the shoreline, and that is also covered with snow, so we will make that. Now let's make some pine trees. I have now taken some Caribbean blue and a little of black. I'm mixing this color to make a shadow color, and that we will apply at the bottom of the mountain, the reflection on the water. And once this part is done, we will then be again taking some Caribbean blue to mix in the shade together, or to And now time for some snow on our pine trees. And with black, let's make a faraway boat with some people sitting on it and rowing the boat. Alright, so our scenery is completely done. It looks stunning once you put it on the walls. So I hope you enjoyed today's simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. kindly subscribe to my channel and do connect with me on Easy Paintings by Ishita on Instagram or Facebook, or tag me once you make this. So see you guys soon. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.